Welcome to another Enterprise Reporter video demonstration. In this demo, we'll be going over a discovery of server and computer data in a domain, as well as running a report on that data. This can be especially useful for reporting on hardware statistics on objects in the domain, or even scenarios like seeing which server could be affected by a CPU security issue. First is the discovery task, and we start in the Configuration Manager. To create a new discovery, we simply select New Discovery, and then in this scenario, we select Computer. As per usual, we enter some information about this particular discovery task, and then we select the scope of the discovery. You can select a number of different hardware objects, and we'll be searching throughout the whole domain. For larger domains, it can take a long time for a task like this to complete. And once we're finished, we simply click Next. You can schedule this task, however, we're going to be doing it manually in this scenario. Once the task is finished, we head over to the Report Manager to create and run our report. There are some existing reports of this type in the report library. However, in this scenario, we're going to create our own report by clicking Create and then New Report. And as per usual, we simply enter some details about the report. Now we select which fields we want to display in said report. We want computer-related fields, and in this scenario, we'll use a few hardware details, as well as some other useful information. The parameters and query field can be utilized as needed. And traditionally, you can either create your own layout using the Layout Designer, but in this case, we will auto-generate a data-bound report, and we'll use all these fields in that report. As we see, the preview looks good, and we'll click OK. Next, we'll select this new report and click Run Report. We can see all the information we requested in the report is easily visible and organized. The report viewer also has export and print options, such as exporting to various formats including PDF and emailing to a colleague. And that concludes this demonstration of creating a server-based discovery and running a report on that data. Thank you for watching. To learn more about Enterprise Reporter or access our 30-day free trial, please visit us online.